Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to optimize OBS recording for low-end PCs and low RAM laptops. High memory usage and intense encoding settings will completely freeze a low-spec system, but stripping down your canvas scale and using hardware-assisted encoding instantly prevents crashes. First, open OBS Studio and click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Look at the left side category menu and click on Video. Click the Base Canvas Resolution drop-down and change it to 1280 by 720 to reduce the baseline pixels your system handles. Click the Output Scaled Resolution drop-down directly below and drop it to 1280 by 720 or 854 by 480 to drastically lower video processing demands. Click the Common FPS Values drop-down menu and change the setting value from 60 down to 30 to cut the resource workload in half. Next, look back at the left menu and click on Output. Change the Output Mode drop-down menu at the very top from Simple to Advanced. Click on the Recording tab layout directly below that row. Click the Video Encoder drop-down menu and choose a hardware encoder like NVIDIA NVENC, AMD HW, or Intel QuickSync instead of X264. Using your hardware chip bypasses your limited processor and saves critical RAM pipelines during active capture. If you don't have a hardware chip and must use X264, navigate down to the CPU usage preset dropdown and change it to ultra fast to save memory. Click Apply and click OK at the bottom right corner to save your updated rules. Finally, close out of all background programs, web browsers, and chat applications before hitting record to free up maximum RAM space. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.